Hi, I'm Robert here from Polimax, and for today we're starting with this Range Rover Sport, on which we have a lot of customization to do. We'll be applying tints on the windscreen, which will be Chameleon Tints. We'll be doing, we have already done actually, the lights at the front, we started already. And will be a lot of carbon fiber in the car. We're gonna carbon fiber wrap the details here, the front, the mirrors. Inside, we are going to apply lights, will be like Starlights in there. And we have already started also to remove the roof liner. The roof of this vehicle also will be gloss black. So we're gonna wrap it gloss black. And we have the backs here, the back lights will be tinted. We have done this already here in carbon fiber. So the next will be this to be covered in carbon fiber also. So let's start the work.
So yeah, hi, my name is Matt, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the headlining to fit Starlights, which means we're gonna have to fit the fiber optics one by one, about 400, 500 of them, and then when it's done, we just put the whole roof lining back, and then we see how it works. They don't look that nice. Whenever you do like little parts and little bends, you need to make sure that you don't stretch the material too much. That's what can happen. So basically you stretch it too much and then you're just gonna pull the lines. You're gonna have to do this again.
So we usually use those to heat up the surface of the car when we're wrapping the whole car, because the temperature of the surface needs to be between 19 and 22, 23 degrees, so the glue sticks properly to the surface until we heat it up and it really sticks to the surface.
When we fit the Starlights, what first we need to do, we need to separate, so we need to divide the roof lining itself, so you know exactly how many fiber optics you're going to put in each section. So what I normally do, I separate it for 4 different parts, and if you fit 400, then we normally do like 100 each, yeah? But I normally just put 90 dots on, so I always got like 10 or 15 extra in case you need, you know, a few spots. If it's missing somewhere, you can just, you know, just add it on. And then what you need to do is just you need to poke a hole. You should normally have some kind of little tool. Not too big though, because then you're gonna damage the headline in the inside part. And then what you need to do, you need to just wire them one by one. Basically the finish is that you need to glue them down, and then when it's all done and it dries out, and then you just need a little wire cutter and just cut it nicely in the end when you finish on the bottom part. And then you can see how the light turns out.
So here we are again. I want to show you guys the progress of the work on this vehicle here. So far we have done the windscreen with the Chameleon Tints. We've done these wraps here with the carbon fiber. A few more carbon fiber have been done, like at the front, at the back. We've done the lights. Now we still have the roof and the Starlights, which we are still working on it. still have a lot of work to go here, but by tomorrow you'll be all done.
Now we pretty much finished the Range Rover. We just rubbed the roof. So what we really need to do now is just to fit back the roof lining, which we already finished the Starlights as well. So just gonna put it inside and we're all done. When I was 6, my sister was half of my age. Now I'm 70, how old is my sister? Okay, so it doesn't fit like this, innit?
How about we cut it in half?
Yeah, and then just glue it together inside.
Yeah, we saw it.
No, it doesn't fit like
Put
that.
some grease on the sides. That's how I fit my fat girlfriend into the house.
You sick. There you go.
The Range Rover is now finished. The work is done. We have the lights done. Everything's been done now. The roof, gloss black, the Chameleon Tint inside with the Starlights. So the car looks customized. So it's ready to go. The owner is only coming, just coming to collect. I believe he's gonna like it very much as we did. Okay, so have a look at it.